And we're gonna drag it out. This is gonna be a nice shot. Yeah, let's get it. Gotta make sure it doesn't hit the tree. Yeah, looks like he's clearing it. There we go. That's a nice shot right here. Check that out. So here's the park. And let's see if we can find where I walked today this morning. Oh fuck, I didn't even record it. Okay, that was pretty fun. I'm gonna go back home now. Alright, let's pick this up. And if you want to buy your own Mavic Mini, check out my Amazon affiliate link down below. Gotta pay the rent. So today I'm gonna go to a park near here. I have my drone in the car with me, and I'm just gonna take a walk. So this park is named Mill Pond Park, and in the wintertime actually you can skate around on the top of here. I'm not sure if today, because it's kind of thawing out, if it's going to be safe walking on it, but I'm just going to walk around the park. And you can see here there's a bulletin board. Let's see if there's anything interest here. So here's a couple cool things. Just Friends 60 plus. There's some news from PETA, and then there's a course for meditation. Very interesting. And then somebody lost their bird. If you find this bird, definitely return it to this person. Here's the pond I'm talking about. It seems relatively okay. And you can see like they've already kind of shoveled out this whole section. Usually in the wintertime you can play hockey here. The squirrel is out. Usually every year, you know, once winter is coming to an end and spring is in bloom, I'll just be so happy about it. But this year I'm actually kind of enjoying winter. Like I'm seeing the positive sides of winter. You know, like one thing that is positive is people won't come out to stuff like this because it's too cold or just get lazy. So it's like I have this whole park all to myself. And also I wake up pretty early, so there's also that. This is a really nice spot, this exact bench. I sat here maybe 2 or 3 years ago with my grandma, and we just kind of looked out to here and talked about life. There's a fork in the road here. You can go left or you can go right. But it's actually just a circle. You can go anywhere you want. Anyways, going back to the car. I think that's all the filming I'm going to do today. I'm going to just finish walking around this park, and then I'm going to fly my drone up here so you can see the surrounding area. There's also a hospital, Mackenzie Hospital is close by to here as well. So yeah, peace. Woodpecker right there. I'm listening to the Jay Shetty podcast on my walk. It's really good. It talks about kind of relationships with supposedly the #1 psychologist or couple therapists in the world. And there's a lot of really good and useful information. One of which, as I'm listening to it right now, is that your partner should look at you, and you should look at your partner with the just admiration and awe in all this person is. And if you for too long you are looking at them and you're just kind of waiting for something to happen, and you're like giving you all these nutrients, like why aren't you doing better? then that's not a good way to operate. Um, and then, so the uptake is like, so what's your partner going through right now that they're unable to do this? Obviously, it's very tiring. But really interesting podcast. Definitely check it out. And so, kind of the biggest takeaway for me is like, why do I have just such a visceral response to not like criticism, when even it's not criticism from other people? Like sometimes people give me advice, I'm just like, no, I don't want to hear it. Like for example, I'm playing squash, and my friend, the person who plays squash with me, he would try to correct me, like some of the techniques I'm using, and I'll just be like, no, I don't want to do that. So, but it's like, that's just one small example. It happens with all facets of my life. So, today, like, it's a slow progress, but I'm trying to make changes to better myself.